Hello guys, today's video is about your overflow bottle. I currently drive a 2001 Chevy Silverado, but most of the new vehicles are the same way. If you get a light on your dash, it says low coolant like you see here in this picture, there's a good chance that your bottle, the gauge is stuck. And I was watching a video on YouTube here recently and I found out that there's a float that mounts in the bottom of that, and the man took off the overflow bottle, drained it, he put some purple power in it and he shook it up really good. It freed up the sensor by using purple power. Any kind of a degreaser would probably work and clean it out really good. And then when he tipped it over back and forth upside down, you could hear it moving back and forth, freely moving. Now a few years ago I went on Amazon or eBay, I don't remember which, and I paid $60 or $70 for that overflow bottle you see there because I had the same problem. So recently I had to replace my radiator and I filled everything back up, started the truck, burped it, everything was fine, but the light was still on my dash, this light right here. I'm thinking, son of a blankety blank. Anyway, I'm thinking, how can I free that up? I don't want to spend another $50 or $60, $70 on a bottle, drain it, lose some coolant, and have to do that every 4 or 5 years. So I found a solution. Let me show you what the solution is. Right here. It's a back vibrator. No, I didn't steal this from my wife. This is a back vibrator. Used to work construction. I used this for many years. It's adjustable. It vibrates. Let me show you what I did. On this overflow bottle, down here at the bottom where I'm pointing is where the connector is. The sensor is built inside of it. I simply took this vibrator, I held it on the side for about a minute, it vibrated the bottle and it unstuck the sensor. Then when I checked the truck again, the light was off. So if you would like to save, I don't know, 50, 60, 70 bucks, whatever you pay, or taking it to a shop, you have a couple options. Take the bottle off, drain it, put some cleaner in it, like purple power or something like that, degreaser, shake it up really good, and see if you can unstick that float. Once you rinse it out, you turn the bottle over upside, you'll hear that float click, 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 going back and forth. You'll hear it moving freely. Then you can hook it all up. Or if you have a vibrator or a power tool or something that vibrates, without a blade in it obviously, and stick that down alongside of your bottle, there's a very good chance it will unstick it like it did for me and you'll be good to go. So basically I took the vibrator, held it on there for about a minute, didn't damage anything, it freed up the problem, and I'm good to go. So this is a quick little video I wanted to do. I hope that somebody might see this. This helps you out. I appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until the next video, everybody have an awesome day. Later.